Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I did a poll on my channel, which I just showed you. Mexican beat out, which actually I'm actually happy about because it sounded really good. And I hadn't had any in a while, so I was really craving it. So it worked out perfectly. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna order. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it home with me because I live literally just 2 stops from this place. So I don't see any reason why, one, I can't speak, but 2, why I shouldn't just take it home and eat it there. So let's head home and we'll get to chowing. All right, let's see what we got. I might have ordered a little too much because I gotta be honest, I'm really hungry. And I've been craving Mexican food for like a week. So we got the chips, salsa. I got the combination 13, 2 burritos, which I'm sure is right there. So this should be the rice and beans, which it is. I mean this. You know, I've been doing these local eats videos, but I never said I never said that I had to do them in the car. So here's the 2 burritos. I got 1 chicken, and I got 1 ground beef. Comes with rice, beans, the coleslaw, which I never eat anyway. But to each their own. Let's take a bite. This is a chicken. There we go. As some chicken falls out. Oh yeah. I have another spot too. I need to check to see if they're in a chain or not. I think they are. But they have a really good burrito too. They have breakfast and they also have lunch, and I think it's just lunch / dinner, so it's the same thing. So here's the ground beef. Man. Try the rice. And the beans. The rice seems a little... The rice seems a little crunchy for some reason. Like it's been... Like maybe it's been sitting out for a while. Which is disappointing. And we got the chips, which I like to dip in the beans. The musical fruit. Oh man. Well, I'm gonna eat this off camera and I'll bring you guys back. Alright, well I finished the meal, but I'm dying over here. I'm really glad I'm at home because I can slide right into a nice food coma. Just kind of do one of these numbers. Really good though. So I actually got several hours I can kick back and relax. So let's jump to the menu and I'll show you what they offer. Okay, so this is from allmenus.com. I don't think I'm going to read the entire menu because it's a big menu, and sometimes I feel like these run a little long. So they have appetizers, they have all kinds of cool stuff, chicken wings, nachos, quesadilla, stuff like that. Soups, which I've never had. Tortilla soup. Probably their soups are whatever they had left over. They just turn into soup, which is a smart idea. Ooh, they have pork meatballs. Yum. They have salads, your standard taco salad, which admittingly sounds really good. I've never had their taco salad. So taco salad, fajito steak taco salad, garden salad, chicken, pollo and mole. Another reason I'm not going to read the whole menu because I'm probably going to mispronounce everything. They got chicken, they got meats, they got carne asada, pork carnitas, which I love. I may have to go back and get that. Roasted pork served with rice, pico de gallo, and or homemade sauce. Yum. So then they got the combos. You got the enchilada combos. They have 16 small combos. And then, well, I guess they're all the they have small and large combos, but you can get enchiladas, you can get chalupas, burritos. I got the 2 burritos, number 13. 2 burritos, $20. Wasn't too bad. Enchilada combo, all kinds of cool, good stuff. Chili relleno combination. Spicy, you got chipotle burrito. Let's see, for 7 choices under spicy. They've got fajitas. You got your burritos. I've had the macho burrito before. It's actually really good. So that's another thing I've always gotten there. Asada burrito is basically steak, carne asada. They got vegetarian options. They got 5 vegetarian. 4 enchilada, which is another thing I really like. Almost want to go back there now. Then they got seafood. Wow, I didn't know they had octopus. Shrimp, fish tacos. This would be, I'm going to make sure I link this. It's allmenus.com. I'll make sure to put it in the description. Then they got house specials. They got 10 of those. They got steak and all kinds of good stuff. 3 different tostados. You can get a side of salsa, well, 16-ounce side of salsa. You can get extra chips, sour cream, pico de gallo, yada yada. All kinds of good stuff you can get, lots of sides. $4.50 for guacamole though. Just buy a whole avocado for $1 and make your own. Never had their desserts, but they have churros and flan and fried ice cream. Then they have lunch lunch appetizers. Then they got lunch soups and lunch salads, which I'm guessing is just a smaller portion of what you would normally be buying. And I kind of feel like some carnitas now. It's getting close to lunch. So, there you go. Try to keep this short. Good place to eat though, really good. Well, alrighty, there we go. Great place to eat. I don't think I've ever actually eaten inside. I've always just taken it to go because I live so close. I can just enjoy my meal, wearing, dressed comfortably, kick my shoes off. So, they're really friendly people in there too. They're always very helpful. Anyway, thanks for watching. The end screen is going to have last week's, 2 weeks ago's video, and also there'll be the playlist link as well. Again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.